What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Incredible Joe, back at you with another video. Leroy, I'm up here, you know what I'm saying, with my boy Leroy. Like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification bell so you can get my videos first. You like first, you can comment first. We're up here with the tore-up Mustang, you know what I'm saying? Now, if y'all seen the wheel, Leroy, say what's up, bro.
What's up, YouTube?
Say what's up, them folks, man. Go ahead. They look forward to seeing you on the channel.
Why they want to see me? I make you look bad. I make you look bad as hell.
Tell them what you thought about the wheel, Leroy.
You fucked them wheels up, bro.
Yeah.
You fucked them wheels up for real.
Yeah.
You fucked them wheels up for real.
Yeah.
God dang.
Oh, this
Hey, y'all. This is an example of somebody that can't drive. Driver, non-driver. Driver, non-driver. You know what I'm saying?
Look.
Experience, rookie.
Look, all this shit right. The whole headline and everything went. By the way, y'all, shout out to my man Steven, man. He had went ahead and cut all this out for me. Airbags are hanging. He fixed all this, put the headliner back up. The panels is gone, bro. Even the little speaker thing right here, that bitch blew out. All that blew out.
Why it smells so fruity in your car?
Because I'm clean.
It smells fruity.
Because I'm clean. Oh yeah, the seats. I think he said what I could do is I can take that like the weave, the little string that you put in weave, you can sew it back up. Or I can take it to a upholstery shop and let them do it.
Yeah, that's what you would have to do.
You know what I'm saying? Or I could go ahead and cheap out and buy some seat covers
That's what you gonna have to do.
until I get the Recaros.
Yeah.
I'm going ahead and put Recaros. Order what's it called?
Why? You can't drive. So why?
They go that bullshit.
You can't drive, bro.
They go that bullshit.
You cannot drive.
So look, y'all.
You should be in jail right now. You should be in jail right now.
You might not be lying, but look. So we found out what's wrong with the car. Shout out to Steve once again. I was gonna record it, but I forgot. I wasn't thinking straight. I was tired. So, like I said, the car is the control arm, the lower control arm is bent, the hub assembly is bent, the rotor is warped. So it's like on the brakes. And that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? It's not major damage, but since the wheels messed up on here, I came here to get some new wheels, right? Leroy. So, which ones you got on your car?
They ain't up here no more. I took the last one they had.
Okay. So these,
The last one they had.
so these are the ones I'm looking at right here. Don't show them? Okay. I ain't gonna show them. Leroy said don't show y'all yet.
No, not yet. No.
Wait till he put on the car?
Hell yeah.
Okay, for sure. So look, y'all, I can't get these new wheels. I got some big news coming for y'all. I'm not gonna tell you right now, but make sure you stay tuned for all the videos coming up, because I got some big news. Big news. Big news. Yeah, you're not expecting it, I'm telling you.
Nah, I didn't expect it.
Huh?
I didn't expect it either. Hey, don't y'all be surprised. It's what y'all always knew, but he never said nothing. You know how folks stay in the closet for a while, then they decide to come out. So I gave you half the right now. You told you better come out the closet. Everybody know.
Well, you stupid as fuck, boy. Nah, I got some big news for real, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. But we gonna figure out this wheel situation. I'm gonna get back y'all in just a minute. All right, y'all, so they done took out the tire and stuff. I can actually show y'all how bent it is. So the center of it is off by 1.5 inches, but you can look and see, like, all that bent up, back there, that's bent. Come over here to look. See how bent it is right there? Then, that squeaky noise I was telling you about?
Damn.
What?
That shit bent like this, bro.
Yeah.
God damn.
Yep. That squeaky you know what I'm telling you about is because the rotor was warped. So it's pushing my brakes out when it's rolling. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, that shit fucked up.
Yep. But, I mean, I bought the whole new everything. Like, everything. Upper, lower. You know what I'm saying? Axle fine. That's the good part. The axle straight. Oh yeah, that boy going crazy. That boy going crazy. Nah, that shit bent like a motherfucker.
So you got all of that ready for tomorrow?
Yeah. Upper, lower, everything. So yeah. So I just want to show y'all that real quick so that y'all in the loop and not out the loop. And now I'm gonna get back with y'all when the wheels get put on. Hey y'all, Call me the incredible pretty Joe. What? Hey, boy, these joints tough. Hey, you can really see it in the sun. What? That it ain't black. Hey, y'all ready to see it? Nah, y'all ain't ready to see it. Leroy, what you think before I show them?
God damn, bro. Hey, somebody go steal them real. Somebody go steal that bitch. I guarantee one of y'all go steal that shit. Don't take my boy real. Man. Don't take. You know what I'm saying? He a little guy right now. You know what I'm saying? He a little puppy. He ain't no big dog yet.
Boy.
Hey, I'll get to you on that shit though.
Boy,
all you need to do is just lower it. Once you lower the car, it's over with.
A little spacer, a little five, what's it called, 5mm?
Mm-hmm.
Little 10 maybe.
That shit is over with, bro. This shit is hard as fuck.
Man, I ain't gonna show y'all. I ain't gonna show you anyway. Boy, them bitches tough, boy. Ooh. Ooh.
They hard as fuck. I gotta give it on them. That shit hard. I ain't think they would look that good. I want them bitches now.
Boy.
Now.
STR racing wheels, y'all. By the way, this is not black. That's like dark brown with the bronze, with the Leroy.
Yeah.
Come on now. Yeah. Look, I ain't even. Look, when I pulled up, I was gonna show y'all. That's why he said I'll show you. When I pulled up, that was the first wheel I saw. Wasn't that?
Yeah,
that was the first one I saw, and I said I want them. Leroy said, he said, go inside, look at the rest of them. They bronze. I don't want them.
They wouldn't even go inside and look at nothing else.
Boy. Ooh, boy. So when I get it wrapped and I do all the other stuff, I told y'all, you gotta turn negative situations into a positive. You know what I'm saying? Because to be honest, I wouldn't did this. I would not have done this if I wouldn't wreck my car.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'd have been, you know what I'm saying, stock as hell. You know what I mean? So you gotta be okay being uncomfortable. I ain't even washed the car up and it's still just, come on, Leroy. Now I gotta get the tires shined. I gotta be pretty. I gotta be pretty. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta be bougie now.
Yeah.
Bougie.
You trying to race too? Nah, I'm good, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm done with the hot boy shit. Nah, I'm just playing, but look, so, hey, Leroy, he might be the one to take them bitches.
Hey, real talk, nigga. I'm telling you, I got my mask in the car, everything.
Boy, you stupid as hell.
I'm trying to tell you.
Nigga, stupid. Look, so, Leroy got STR wheels too. That's kind of, I like the way this wheel look, right? Because it's clean. I mean, it's easy to clean. I mean, it's not clean because he don't clean his car. But
oh, no way. Let me get my. Look at my back tire. I got more meat back there than you do.
There you go with that bullshit, Leroy.
I got more meat back there than you.
They ain't gonna lie. So these are 20 by 8.5.
Say what? Say what? Say your car clean them out again. Hey, they gonna lie.
Boy, you ain't shit.
They gonna lie.
He just say what? But look, so they 20 by 8.5. So of course, if you guys are interested in my stock wheels and tires, except for the broke one, don't worry about that. My stock wheels, but the front two are Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. They're new. They probably got 90% tread left. The back ones are Otanis. They're new. I actually just put those on, what was it, 3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, they new.
Yeah.
So if you're interested in them, drop a comment below, DM me or email, no, DM me, don't email me. DM me and throw me a price. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to come up, you know what I mean? Just throw me a price, and if it fits, they can go. If it don't, it just don't. You know what I'm saying? But these motherfuckers, hey, don't be taking a picture of my car, bro. We don't like paparazzi.
Hey man.
We don't like paparazzi.
I might take them over. I might take them over.
Hey, y'all drop a comment below, let me know, man. On a scale of 1 to 10, what y'all think, bro? Scale of 1 to 10, what do you think about Joe's new wheels? Like I said, the bronze with the dark brown, that's not black. Don't get it, you know what I'm saying? Don't confuse them.
It ain't showing up in the camera?
Nah, it's showing up when you get close to it. Oh. On this side, on the other side, don't show it though.
Okay.
Boy, Leroy. Was these up there when you went and got yours?
Nah.
They wasn't?
Hell nah, cause I would've got them.
For real?
They've been over with.
Boy,
It's been over with.
Boy. Now, you know what though? You're gonna post in the comments on some, Joe, why would you do that? Joe, why would you? Man, shut up with that bullshit.
Yeah.
This motherfucker hard, boy.
Yeah, nigga be quiet real quick.
Hey, maybe we wanna go wash it up in the dark. I ain't enjoy the car for real though, y'all. So, like, that's why it's so dirty. I haven't driven the car like maybe twice since I had that, 3-4 times I had since I had an accident. So it's coming together, like I told y'all. It wasn't gonna stay how it was. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't gonna be no long period of time. Airbag Headline situation fixed. The seats gonna be fixed. I might just throw some seat covers over them bitches.
Put the seat cover on.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Fix when you get ready.
For real. You know what I'm saying? And I just go ahead and I buy a whole new seats whenever, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no point in fixing the broke shit, just go ahead and buy the new stuff when I can. The wheels, I still gotta get I already bought the axles. I mean, not the axle, I'm sorry. The upper lower control arm, the hub assembly, rotor, all that, I bought that. Today, I gotta go pick it up tomorrow. So that's getting put on tomorrow. Shout out my boy Steve, man. I'm gonna call you Trackhawk Steve, you know what I'm saying? He gonna put it on tomorrow, and the car be done. I ain't got no body damage. You know what I'm saying? Like, just like that. Glory be to God. You know what I'm saying? I just wrecked the car 2.5 weeks ago. 2.5 weeks ago. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Trying to bounce back pretty quick. You know what I'm saying? But it's just by the grace of God that I'm able to do stuff like this. You able to turn, just like they say, when life give you lemons, make lemonade. Well, I got some good ass lemonade too. You know? Whole bunch of sugar. You know what I'm saying? Whole bunch of sugar, boy.
That's a hood lemonade.
Boy, these joints is tough, boy.
That shit hard as fuck.
It's alright, Leroy.
That shit hard as fuck.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, keep on talking, I'm telling you. You'll get robbed on the spot. Telling folks I can't read Snow did me like this, man.
You know what I'm saying? Patent, pen, and trademark, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm gonna keep telling you, it's not black. That's brown, man.
No, that's not black.
That's not black, that's brown.
I thought it was black. God,
I ain't gonna lie, before I picked them out, like when I picked them out, I thought it was black.
I thought it was
too.
black too.
I wish it was a little bit more like.
If you curve them, bitch, you might well cry.
Yeah.
You might well cry if you curve them.
Yo.
I ain't parking in no curve with these on now.
Don't park by me, period.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Rick.
God.
Them joints. Oh, I wanted they heavy. I ain't even get a chance. It don't even matter. It don't even matter. I'm just pretty. It don't even matter.
You get ready to race, we throw a drag pad on them.
That's it.
Throw a drag pad.
Whenever I do that, but you know what I mean? I might have just retired just now.
No, you ain't gonna retire.
I might just retire just now, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I done claimed so many victims. You being one of them.
What stop?
I might just retire.
Man,
No, I feel clean. Join up now, Leroy. I can't wait to throw some tire shine on. I can't wait to throw on the tire shine.
You put the tire shine on there, man, and then let the sun go down a little bit more.
And let it cook that tire shine to the tire.
Oh my God, bro.
I'm telling you. So anyway,
Yeah, that tire shine gonna set it. Oh,
I'm telling you. So without further ado, y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and share. It's your boy Incredible Joe. This ends this video, you know what I'm saying? Drop a comment below, let me know what you think about the new wheels and tires. Well,
bougie now.
bougie, yeah.
Bougie now.
With a capital B.
With a capital B.
And the last E is capital too.
I can't spell the whole word. No.
You know what I'm saying?
Let you have that.
Stupid, boy. He's stupid. But look, y'all drop a comment below, let me know what you think about the new wheels. DM me if you want to go ahead and buy the old wheels and tires. Let me go show y'all real quick so you don't think I'm lying about them being new-ish. So, what is these are 275. So these are the old Tanies. You can see, you know what I'm saying? Plenty of tread. Back there, that's old Tiny. Plenty of tread.
Oh yeah.
Pop the trunk.
You only got a problem out of that one tire. That's it.
No, that was the wheel.
That wrong wheel, yeah.
Yeah.
No, cause you got the that tire got a nail in it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, goddamn, tell them everything, man.
No, look, I forgot for real. But that's I'm gonna show y'all in there, man. Let me see, where is it, Leroy? Is it on this one or the other one? If it's on the other one, don't worry about it.
It's on the other one over there.
All right, well, it's small, you know what I'm saying? So, but regardless, it's a new tire.
Yeah.
These are the fronts, these are Michelin's, you know what I'm saying? You can see right there where the tread is. You know what I mean? Plenty of tread, so if y'all want them.
There's plenty of tread.
Yeah.
For all y'all that like putting pennies down there and seeing if you can see the man head or not. No, there's plenty of tread. You ain't gonna see the head.
There you go. So, without further ado, it's your boy Incredible Joe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.